is SSD. We're gonna install in Lenovo laptop. And this is the specification. This is normal tool you will get in the shop. So this is perfect shape. Our CD drive, you have to take it out first. This is the hole for bolt for CD drive. So this is our hard drive. We have to change this drive. This is our WD green. We will change this. This is 240 GB only. So you have to change this. For that you have to take it out. And I don't know how to take it out. This is the clamp. Yes. You have to take out this clip. These are the locks, actually 4 locks. This is our hard drive. Change this with this. So this is lightweight, this is very heavy. So this is remove before flight. So remove before installation. Fill this. Check these connectors. It should be fine. There should not be any mark of broken connector or broken leads. Okay. Before installation, we'll take a photo that anything required in future. Okay, it will go like that. Before that, I have to lock it here. It's very easy, you can do it very easily. Press it for locking. Press. This is ready, your tray is ready for installation. There is small lock. It will get lock here.
But I think you're putting it ulta.
Check, this is big one, this is small one. This is big one, this small one. Match this connector and install it. So this is installed now. There's a small lock, you can see.
No,
So it is done.
Which lock you mean?
Small clip lock. There it is. Here it is.
It's not visible.
There it is.
Okay.
Okay. This is nicely locked. So we are done. This is a battery. So now it is installed. Very good. Now we're gonna install our covers. Everything is done. I have to install it. Okay, install our cover. Everything is good. Here it is locked. Okay, and now we'll install the screws. So sorry, I have to change this. Do not over tight the screws. check this hole should align. Hole is aligned now. Wow, it's done. So we try to install. Yes, laptop is ready now. Bootable pen drive insert कर दिए. Take a small pin. सामने use that boot menu. Enter. See SATA drive, it is showing WDC already installed. WD or SATA drive, and USB drive is USB, and we will go to the now USB hard drive. Enter. It should start booting now.